So,
I hit it from 4.5 to 46.3.
oh, good for you, man. Good.
So
I like it.
that was about 1.2% on 50x.
Oh, you do 50s? Man, look at you
I
go.
don't, but I was just confident that this was gonna go up. I mean, it just took a beating.
Yeah.
So,
Look
in
at the
the
signature.
Stokes were
Yeah.
good, and
Yep.
it came back and retested my trend line, and it didn't bust through it, and I just got out.
Yeah, man. I like that. I like it because I did it.
Look, I'll show you.
Let's see
Here, where's the?
here.
I'll show you what I was playing.
So,
I hit this right here.
hopping.
I hit this candle,
Yeah.
and then I sold it right here on my trend, and the band. So I knew there was some confluence there.
Yeah.
So it's coming back to look for another entry. And the stock, dude, the RSI on XRP looks very close. It's close.
You see what you had here too was the fib 618 fib bounce. I mean, it cut through it, but it was a good reversal point. Yeah.
Yeah, the RSI is looking pretty good. And if I zoom out here,
What do you want?
that's
Yeah.
that's not a, I don't know if he calls them origin lines, but you can see
Yep.
that's a heavy line right here that it
Yeah.
tagged.
I did the same one. Look what I ended up with. I think it looks very similar.
Where's yours?
Oh, am I not live now? Oh,
No, yeah, I guess because I
yeah,
took the
that's all right.
screen.
Don't even worry about it. Don't. It's like virtually the same line. See where it came down and made the M formation, and it just scooped right under
Right.
that trend line. Yeah. So what
The
Shma was
question
saying.
is, I mean, I was gonna wait for a double bounce on this line to enter
Mm-hmm,
again, you know, which would actually be a higher low
mm-hmm,
here on the line.
mm-hmm.
I don't know. What do you think?
So here's the deal. Here, check my screen.
Go ahead.
Yeah, go to my screen.
Got it.
So your white line is close to this one, like your dotted. Mine's probably a little bit higher, right? I'm thinking. This is the
Where did
daily.
that wick hit?
So
Because
this
the
wick.
wick broke through it by
Yes.
about a percent.
I use the wick as
At the
as
bottom.
well, yeah.
You're
I
very
just
close.
because it happened, right?
Yeah.
So I used it. I said, all right, let me find other touch points over
Yeah, 'cause that
here.
green line's a shorter term trend. Yeah, so there was still confluence on that
Yep.
X that you have right there.
So then I drew the blue because this is a higher angle of attack, right?
Yeah.
And it's not unreasonable, like because I thought,
No.
oh, this is going to be like, oh, we're going to be at $2 in a couple. Nope, not at all. The end of the year, it won't even be. It'll be at its highs, right? So that's super reasonable if it could hold it. It just hasn't been able to hold anything like this. And then here you go. What's this? 1, 2, 3 triple top. 1, 2, 3 triple top. Look out. Look out. That's all I'm saying. Or you could call it double top, 2 double tops. It's so. So here's my only point: is we're waiting for this options expiration. I don't think price is going to break any significant levels, right? So they toyed with you here. Not you. You picked up on it. You nailed it. Like you picked pockets right alongside the market maker here. So I don't like this chart. I hate the Bitstamp fucking chart. But I put all my lines on it, so I have to go to like the daily for it to, or the 4 hour for it to look normal. Because these wicks don't have, well, they could happen on other exchanges. But the point is, daily open, like you don't have a lot of room though. You know what I mean? Like if you're going to take another long, well, that's 4%. That's not true. Sorry.
No, I wouldn't take a long until it came back and double kissed that green line. The blue line, whatever color that is.
This one down here.
Yeah.
Yeah. And it may
Because
go
almost
sideways.
any time something moves up, it does a double bottom. Almost
Here it
every
is.
time.
Check it. Look here.
Yeah, I know.
Came to the
It's
exact same spot.
very common to wipe out those longs that got it right
Here
to
it
make
is.
them get out or
Now,
take profit.
and here it is, the stab below the 800. Now you get just pay attention to price. What it does, it may coalesce around the 800. Like it did it. It's doing the same signature right here, right now, sitting at the 800.
Yeah.
It may stab down again. Not this
Yep.
low. I don't think this low though.
I don't.
Right?
Yeah, I don't. It shouldn't.
It shouldn't, right? It shouldn't, but it could. It has license to go to this white line right here. To be honest with you, it could.
Yeah, I have a line. Yeah, yeah.
You know what I
That's
mean?
essentially the bottom of the wick.
Yours is the same, and yours is probably a little higher, I think. But the point is, like, yes, you if it stabs, you would want it to stab higher than this, only to keep structure. But I think they're playing around, and they know that those rules are out there, because I think a lot of those rules are written into bots, and they're gonna start triggering all these new bots that are created, on like machine
Yeah, the
learning and
weekly
stuff like
RSI
that,
looks like dog shit on XRP though.
That's what
You
I
see it?
said, too. I already looked, man. I already looked. I was
Dude, the
like,
weekly RSI is bad. It makes me
yeah.
think that it
Look at
actually
Stokes.
should come down to 38.
It is. Look at Stokes. Unless Stokes just about faces right now.
No way. It's not gonna happen, right? So let
Right
me just
now.
3 day.
Like, that's
Even
my
the
point.
3 day, it's a
Okay.
rejection on the 3 day on the
Yeah. Look at
stochastic.
that. And the RSI is about to break the 50 read. Okay, let's go to the daily. It already broke the 50 read. It's in the red. Let's go to the 4 hour.
It's gonna
I think
start
the
speeding
4
up.
hour is in bullish control.
So this is
Checking
the
it out
short then. So
now.
I'm shorting it. So I'm shorting it here. I'm shorting once it does another little pump up.
Yeah,
Let
yeah,
me check.
wait, yeah. I would say 5 minute. Let's dial this in. Let's dial this in. You're at a good spot because Stokes is up on the 5. Let me get a different chart. I don't like
Let's
this
see
chart.
what happens because the hourly stochastic. Oh no, it's getting rejected.
All right, no. See this when you get on a different chart, it looks different. So this is the 5 minute on Binance where there's actually volume. So it's trying to hold it. There it is. There's the 5 minute now. Look at it bounce. So if that bounce holds, then it's going to go up.
Yeah, that's right. That's right.
Yeah,
You might want to
yeah.
short the ribbon on
Wait,
like the 15 minute.
yeah, it'll tell you. It'll tell you when it gets in here into the EMA cloud if it can.
If I'm just looking at levels, the level would be 47
For a short.
to like 474, I think. Yeah.
And if you went early, so that is a spike up above the 50 on like the 10 minute, 30. So you're using like the 30 minute, right?
I was
Or
just
no?
looking at the hour.
Oh, okay, yeah. It's
But
like
even on the 15 minute, even getting back to the middle of the band is 47.
yeah. Yeah, I see
And
where you're going. Like okay.
and honestly, if you're on the 15 minute, I like doing the little so if you look at the last green bar before it took a nosedive,
Here.
yep, look at the bottom of it.
Yep.
And then skip the first red bar
Yep.
to the right.
Oh, to
So essentially the gap would be to the bottom of that green candle.
this guy here or this one.
No, let me just
Or you
show
say-
you. So like you look at one candle, you skip the next, and then you look at the top of the third candle. So like that green, I mean the
move down,
red
this
candle
one.
to the left, the top of that.
Mm-hmm.
No,
This big one.
the one to the right of that.
This one.
Yeah.
Okay.
So the gap is the top of that one to the bottom of the green candle.
Gotcha.
Nope. The
Hold on. Top
the
of
green
this
candle on the left.
to this.
There. Yes, because there's a gap there, right?
Gotcha.
So the bottom of that green candle, and then add some for, the stop hunt.
Mm-hmm.
But the bottom of that green candle to me would be a good entry on a short. And it happens to be the middle of the band.
Yep, there you go. There's the 50. So you would see price come in here and start to struggle. Maybe take a swipe up, you could go back and look. So here, it right there. That's like the signature right there. Boop.
Yeah.
Now you got to see, okay, other times when it gets in and plays longer. Here you go. So here's a perfect signature. This is the same one.
Yeah.
It came back in.
Yeah.
Yeah, couldn't make it. Came back and failed over.
Yep,
So you're going to have a couple stabs at some
that's
shorts on
right.
this. You just got to
That's
do it
right.
on the spot.
And
Look at
still, even
1%. 50,
yeah.
50, and you're doing
But
50.
see, look where it went. Here, let me. Well, you're on the 15 minute.
Yeah.
Can I control your screen
No,
on this like you can on like WebEx?
I don't think so. What are you talking about?
Because there's that same situation where it filled in that gap. But
Oh, on
it's
that
it's
move?
all good. It's the same mentality.
Oh yeah, I can see it. I see it plain as day. What's going on here? So you should play it. Just let it play it as a repeat, and you have the cover of that. Hey, Bitcoin needs to hold 30K.
Is it? Where's Bitcoin?
It's
Yeah,
it's
it
holding
is.
30,900. So Bitcoin came in hot, making like everybody was gonna lose everything. I saw
I mean,
that
it's a
drop.
Bart pattern on the hourly, right? I mean, that's Bart pattern, right?
Look at the trend line, the whole bit, man. What do you mean,
I mean,
Bart?
but is this not a Bart pattern?
Hold on, let me see. To the
Like going
downside?
back to June 23rd? No,
Oh yeah, yeah,
zoom
yeah,
out.
yeah, 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 100%,
Yeah. Is it not?
100%. It 100% is. It will fulfill it if it. So
Yeah.
breaks the 30K. This is my thick line. Then it goes to this thinner line, right? Yeah, it'll start collapsing relatively fast, in my
I don't
opinion.
think it would
Friday.
break 31,000.
No, me neither.
Psychological high.
No,
I
they're not.
don't think it would go higher than that.
They're not
I
going near
think
the
I
last
think
week's
this
high.
run might be over for
Yes,
now, like short term, until it goes back down to, I don't know,
we're
name it.
yeah, we're going to figure out this options expiration is what we're going to do on Friday. So price is contained in this range. You have faith. You have a lot of things working for you to say that Bitcoin is either going to bounce around low down here, which it probably is. It's probably going to oscillate up again. It's going to keep doing this and then use this as bait. You know what I mean? So they're going to run price away again so that they could come back in and scare the shit out of everybody a few more times before Friday. I mean, that's the play. They're going to use both sides, in my opinion. They'll run it back up and get the Moon Boys back on board to attack the psychological high, but not,
That's
not
right.
get to last week's high, because it's
Just
enough.
to confuse people, just throwing confusion into the
Yes,
charts. Honestly,
but look what they did. They left enough M zones, like when I talk about this, and this is where Tino says too. When price wants to move away and trade in another zone, when market makers want to do that and set that tone, it's right here. How many M's did they move? 1, 2, 3. But really where they settled was 2. They moved from the M0 and then settled in at the M2.
that's a
You know what I
nice
mean?
trend line you got. That means it's a long opportunity, huh?
Yeah, this white one? Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. If you're playing this trend line, you
Stokes,
should
15 minute Stokes on, or it looks like it's about to pop up.
Yeah, you just have to be quick with it. You can't so you have to be careful when I'm doing
Like taking
trading.
profit, you mean?
Yeah. And talking to people like, "Oh yeah, this is a long," because they'll think it's a long for the next month. And this is
It's like a long,
it's a
next
long for
5 minutes.
10 minutes.
Well, can you do it on XRP? Because I just entered
Oh
a
yeah,
long.
let's do it. Let's do XRP then, man.
Look at XRP on the 3 minute.
Oh, I hate this fucking chart. I can't do it on
I'm
this.
about to close it because I did a 50x and I
Long?
actually didn't realize it.
Oh
Yeah.
no, don't. You're rising. You don't. Hold on. Yeah, don't.
It's,
Yep. Look
could
at
be
this.
close up.
So CVD close. Yeah, but all right. So it popped off for the buy on the 1 minute. CVD is showing up on the smaller time frames. The 5 just needs to resolve right here, and you got a big bar. You're in profit already, right?
I am in profit. I'm about to close it.
It's going up. It's going up. You just closed a 2 minute candle up. This CVD is crossing on the 2. I don't know how strong. I don't watch it on XRP, but I'm trying to hunt.
I needed to break this trend. On the 5 minute, I need to get up into this ribbon.
I mean, you could take. I mean, if you feel like taking brown, that's up to you. Me personally, I would hold. For me, but there it is. There's the 1 minute. That might be it, if you're scalping. But I mean, look at this. This nailed it. Nailed this one. It's only 0.5%, but And it's saying this one too might be able to get you the 200. 0.23%, 46.37. Unless it's rolling over right now, like it's hard to tell on these time frames. And I don't trade this thing a lot, so hold on. Let me get volume in. Oh no, volume's looking good too. Oh no, this isn't XRP. Let me get XRP over here.
Let's look at total 3. Total 3 got back to the band. In the middle of the band.
Hold on, I want to get XRP over here. And see, yeah, you got green candles, baby. I like this thing. So you're curling up. That's the 30-minute. Oh, hold on, let me get down low. Yes, you're good. This is green. You're expanding. Yeah, there it is. You're still going, right? You're still in that long?
I needed to break 46332.
4630. Yep, I like that. 4632, 33. You'll get into the band right there. And yes, you're going to want to see strong candles in there. You're right.
Yeah, I need a strong candle.
You're holding good. I'm glad. This is going to be a nice trade for you.
Get up. Get up.
Boo, blue vector on the 1 minute. Let's see. Bang.
That's a bad sign, isn't it? Oh wait, mine's not blue yet.
You got it. You got another up. Oh, now it's flipping. It's starting to flip. Yeah, you may want to roll it. So see the red coming in right here, but you got a lot of green still. This is still oscillating back and forth. That's on the 1 minute too.
Come on, pop it.
Yeah, look, on the 3 minute. Oh yeah, on the 3 minute it popped up. These are all different indicators too that I use over here. Very different stuff. But let me get it back on here. Alright, so here in this XRP long, seeing if we can hold it and max out. Yeah, you need to. Oh, so here we go. That's a good look on the 3. You're pushing through right now on the 50. Close these candles and you're golden.
This candle really needs to close
1 minute
above 4633.
I think you're good. I think it's going to push. So here, look, Stokes turned.
There it is.
Stokes turned halfway
There it
to
is.
the upside.
There it is. Come on.
3 minute. Yeah, baby, good. I like it.
Come on. Get through it. Get through that level. You need to get through that
you got
level.
it. Look, it's pushing. It's pushing. It's pushing. So all we need is to break this right here.
There it is. Go.
Break and close. Break and close. And then you're going to be on a meteoric rise, my friend. This is going to be fast.
I did take 50% profit. Essentially paid my fees for the trade.
Good. That's smart.
So now I could close it at break even and actually break even.
No, but that's a smart way to play it because it was dicey, but
I still got 13,000 XRP.
For me, CVD sold me on it. CVD sold me on that.
It still got to close it though. It still hasn't closed it.
No.
I think it's good. Oh my God, come on. Let's go. All right, now I need an exit strategy.
Baby.
46529. 46529.
46. No, hold. I think you go all the way up to the 800. 4685.
Mm-hmm.
Is the first
think?
way. So you're gonna run into. Oh, what happened there? There it is. 4659, right? So there you're gonna get interested in seeing if it could punch through because those are the lows. Right
4659. I'm gonna take profit there.
4657, 58. Okay, something in that range, right? Because you see the line I just put in, right? That's wick. That's the wick low. Right?
Yeah, that's the wick. Yeah. That's what I'm taking 25% profit there as well.
That's smart. That's smart. And then you can just move your stop in with the rest of the 25 and just
So based on what I just told you, I actually should close this trade right now. I'm 20% in profit for $30.
Right? Yeah, I know.
You know what I mean? Like if I'm going by what I just told you, actually 4654 is what I'm going to close it at.
So I could tell you
I'm
right
gonna
now, This win rate is 72%, and it just popped in a a green buy right here on this candle. So that means three more candle closures, this thing would sell, and it's been hitting at 72% on XRP on the.
I'm taking 50% at 4654, which is that wick. And if it gets rejected, I'm gonna buy back on my trend line that it just busted through.
Good.
The retest.
Good. This is how you make money scalping, man. This is how you do it. This is how you really make fucking money.
It is how you do it. I'm just,
Most people
I get
pray.
too attached, and you always think that, hey, this is the home run. You know.
Trust me, I've been there, my friend. But this is a good exercise. I mean, this was awesome. I'm glad because I wanted to start using some of my these new indicators to do exactly what we just did.
I mean, CoinsKid was saying one more dip on XRP, and that's all. That might be the last dip before.
Now there it is. Now it's going to start rolling over. Here's the 1 minute. So look at the 1 minute.
Yep.
It got above the 800. It's rolling on that 1 minute now.
That 1 minute's about to. That's heating up.
No, it's not. It's heating up. But I bet Stokes is pinned.
Oh my God! It's at 82, 81.57 on the 1 minute.
Oh wow! It breached. It's going higher. It's going higher. You're in the green. It's probably going to bounce. Yeah, you're going higher, dude. You're definitely going higher. Oh, this is what I
like that formation on the 3 minute. That perfect like freaking cup.
Here's the 5. Here's your 5, baby. You just got a good cross too.
Come on. It's gonna
go.
Me to 4654.
I think you're gonna make short work of that wick. In my opinion, I think it's coming up.
Come on, get up there, motherfucker.
Because if it sits on top, what's Bitcoin doing?
Don't know.
I'm gonna go take a peek. Yeah, Bitcoin put it in. Bitcoin, look at the posture.
How? So on the 1 minute, the
spot.
candle's pink already.
Exact same spot.
That was weird.
You see my 5 minute Bitcoin? So it's going to come in and recover the move in all likelihood. XRP, so, it could come all the way up to the 800 up here, 47.01, if it recovers its entire move. It could. But yeah, this is where the greed comes in, right? So 1, 2, yeah, another candle. So on the 5,
the 3 minute candle is pink. The red candle.
What exchange are you on?
KuCoin.
Yeah, that's fine. I don't think I'm on KuCoin.
Which means that's a down that's like a stopping candle, isn't it?
This one up here, the one that's red for me, right?
Yeah, that one's pink.
Okay.
There we go.
It's red for me, but we're busting. We're busting.
No, it's pink though. It's not yours. It's not pink.
Red. No, mine's red.
But you don't have the. Yeah, you do. Interesting.
Yeah, I do.
On KuCoin?
No, I'm not on KuCoin. I'm on
Binance.
Okay.
Okay.
That's why. So it's going to be different. It will be different. You got different volume profile, so and that's what it pulls it from too. So. Oh, dude, you nailed it.
Come on, pop it, man.
Yeah, you
Just
got
get
it.
to that wick. Get the wiki.
It's going there. You're gonna so here's the thing though. When you do that and you get up here, you're gonna start the crosses. You're gonna start. This is,
Yeah, but it's gonna come back down. I don't think it's just gonna blow through all these. I think it's gonna hit that wick, hit that resistance, come back and test this double bottom on this trend line, or not double, but retest this trend line at 46321.
I'm going with. I like this, but like the buy that it put in here. 1, 2, 3. I think, yeah. Well, we're gonna see. Like this cloud's gonna tell you the story right now. On the 5, it's getting checked, so pay attention because it may be gassed out. But let's see what's the 3.
Yeah, it got rejected on the 1 minute RSI.
No, Bitcoin's going up. Bitcoin's coming in for another swipe up. Looks like.
It's finding support on the minute 200. minute, yeah, 200
Oh, it's
right
looking real
now.
good. So 5 minute. So look at the RSI 5 minute. It's playing around at the 50 read. What did it do on the 3? Oh, it's way up, dude. It's good. It should resolve itself nicely. The 1 minute got up into
But this
bullish.
is XRP, so
Yeah, I know. I know that. Here, come right back. That's why I hate trading this thing.
bro,
You
I don't
hit
know
it. You
why
hit
I'm
it.
like addicted to losing money on this asset.
Nah, I think you got it this time. I think you're gonna win the day right here. Like if you don't know what this is like trying to hit an asteroid with a blow dart. You know what I mean?